Bets? Yes, Papa has been back. All set. Ready to race. Race number 4. Away they go. Erica's jump from the outside, rising up is entry number 6. This one, Capricciosa. Moving up, entry number 5, Discovery Pick. Moving up down on the inside. Hello, Papa. Rather, hello, Apo. Hello, Apo. Via Lenkana, followed by entry number 5, Discovery Pick in second. Erica's jump on the outside is Capricciosa. One Bahamas sneaking by the road. Physiotherapist Amsterdam is racing out of the outside and rounding the far turn. Hello, Apo Discovery Pick, Erica's Champ, and on the outside is Capricciosa and rounding the far turn. Hello, Apo, still hanging to that length lead. Discovery Pick on the outside, Capricciosa, Amsterdam on the outside. Physiotherapist on the far outside, stunning success as they race the final corner. Discovery Pick takes the lead from Hello Apo. Amsterdam on the outside. Physiotherapy on the further outside. Herd of horses charging for the lead. Amsterdam takes the lead from Discovery Pick, Physiotherapist, and stunning success. And finally, Amsterdam Physiotherapist is stunning success. Number 5, Discovery Pick.